Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix add music to status is not showing on WhatsApp. So for this, I have multiple ways, and you have to follow all. So watch the video till the very end so you don't miss any step. The first one is if you are not seeing icon, close your WhatsApp application and open your Google Play Store. Once your store will be open, take a look on the right bottom. You can see a search bar. Simply click on the search bar, and now on the top you will see the search bar. Click on it. And here you have to search for WhatsApp. Once you see, select the WhatsApp and make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Because if your app is not up to date, then you cannot see the music icon. If your app is up to date and you are not still seeing that, then open your mobile phone setting. And in your settings, scroll down and look for the option apps. Once you find, click on it and tap on the option Manage Apps. In the search bar, you have to search for WhatsApp. Scroll down and take a look on the bottom left of your mobile screen. You will see three different options: uninstall, clear data, and force stop. Click on the option Clear Data and tap on the option Clear Cache. Once you will click on the option Clear Cache, hit the OK button. Now the cache has been cleared. Now open your WhatsApp application and look for the music icon. If that is still not there, then the last way is click on the option Uninstall and uninstall this application from your mobile. Once the application will be uninstalled, reinstall it from the Google Play Store and log into your account again. Then your problem will be solved 100%. If you are having that problem, then contact with the customer support WhatsApp and tell them your problem, and then they will solve your problem, and that's it.